friends, this is Memuna Bamewala from PCC Online GPAT Coaching Classes, and today we are going to talk about the methods of preparation of naphthalene. In our last video, we have already discussed the first method of preparation, which is Haworth synthesis. Remember, my dear students, we said that Haworth synthesis is similar for naphthalene, anthracene and phenanthrene. But these other two processes are different. Okay, so we are taking them as only methods of preparation for naphthalene, right? The second method of preparation that we are going to talk about in this video is from 4-phenyl 1-butene. From 4-phenyl 1-butene. 4-phenyl 1-butene. I just write it like that and say it like that, because if you can write this structure, then you can instantly guess what you will be doing to synthesize naphthalene. We have a visualization that we want to create something like this: two fused polynuclear rings, right, which are aromatic in nature, which we are intending in synthesizing this. Now let us see the starting material. 4-phenyl 1-butene, right? So see, for example, this is my phenyl ring, which is a benzene ring. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are my 4 carbons, right? And fourth position, I have a phenyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 per phenyl. 1-butene. Matlab, on a 4 carbon chain, I have a alkene. So 4-phenyl 1-butene is my structure. And how do I fulfill the valencies? I can write it as CH2, right? I can write it like this. This is double bond. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is how simple the structure is. Now imagine what is going to happen. This is nothing but a type of oxidation reaction which is going to occur here, right? When you are passing 4-phenyl 1-butene over calcium oxide and at a high temperature, this is nothing but an oxidation reaction. That means there will be loss of hydrogens, or there can be gain of oxygen, or it can be both. But in this case, only loss of hydrogens are going to occur. Now see how hydrogens are lost. One hydrogen from here, one hydrogen from here. So there will be formation of a double bond here. See, this is my benzene ring, right? This is a double bond is formed, right? This is already there. CH, double bond CH is already there. So one hydrogen I say from here and one hydrogen from here. These are also lost. So there is formation of a single bond here. Nothing but what is formed is a benzene ring. I can simply write the reaction as 4-phenyl 1-butene in presence of calcium oxide gives me naphthalene. This is for my understanding how hydrogens are lost. There is loss of 2 molecules of hydrogen. One H2 is lost from here, the another H2 is lost from here. This is the second method, right? Haworth synthesis we have already seen in our previous video. The last one here, 4-phenyl 3-butanoic acid. From 4-phenyl 3-butanoic acid. Very easy again, not a difficult method at all. From 4-phenyl 3-butanoic acid. So let me write now butanoic acid. This is carboxylic acid. 1, 2. This is 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Because this is 4-phenyl. And at the fourth position, I have a phenyl ring. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-phenyl. Right? Butanoic acid. Carboxylic acid comes at position number 1. 3-butanoic acid. 1, 2, 3. The third position pe, see, it is enoic acid, not butanoic acid. It is 4-phenyl 3-buteneoic acid. So oic acid is at position 1, ene is at position 3, and fourth position there is a phenyl ring, right? So this is my starting material. Again, I can assume, I can guess what I should do to create a 2-ring fused structure, which is a structure of naphthalene. What I will do in my first step is, I will do nothing but I will do dehydration. This hydrogen, which is not seen but it is there on benzene, is lost. My dear students, you know that when we have to do dehydration, that is loss of water, we need a catalyst like sulfuric acid. OH is a very bad leaving group. उसको अगर कहीं से ले जाना है, बाहर करना है, तो you have to give it a रिश्वत of sulfuric acid. That is the catalyst that is used for dehydration. तो भैया आपने डिहाइड्रेशन तो कर लिया. अब क्या मिला यहाँ पर आपको? ये आपका बेंजीन रिंग, तो डब्बा. दिस इज C डबल बॉन्ड C. You have another C. You have C डबल बॉन्ड O. अब ऐसा इमेजिन करना शुरू कर दीजिए कि भाई अब आपको what is there which is not in benzene, in naphthalene. naphthalene में हमको यहाँ पर एक डबल बॉन्ड चाहिए और ये डबल बॉन्ड हो नहीं चाहिए, right? So now see what is going to happen in the further step. What will happen here? This what is formed is called as a keto because it contains a keto functionality. This is the keto functionality. And there is a very unique phenomenon which is called as keto-enol tautomerism, which is many a times very prevalent. It is called as, the tautomerism is called as keto-enol tautomerism. Right? It is conversion of keto to enol or enol to keto. Now let us see how this keto-enol tautomerism occurs in general, and then we will apply it here. What does this keto-enol tautomerism say? Suppose I talk to you about an enol, then let me make a structure of enol to you. This is C double bond C and OH. This is called as enol. Why it is called as enol? En matlab double bond. See, this is a double bond. And ol matlab hydroxyl. This is a OH group. And hence this structure is called as enol. This enol very easily converts into keto, or a vice versa reaction can occur. It is called as, it is a reversible reaction, right? Keto-enol tautomerism. तो अब ये देखिए, this is my enol. Now see how this enol can become keto. Let me write the proper structure for enol once again for all of you. C double bond C. This is OH. This is, if I want to fulfill the valencies 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is my enol. En क्योंकि ये एक कार्बन जिसके ऊपर डबल बॉन्ड है उसी के ऊपर OH है. Now see what will happen here. This H from this hydroxyl goes out of the system and gives a formation of a double bond on this carbon. If this carbon is double bonded, then valency of this carbon will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कार्बन तो डोंकी है, कार्बन की वैलेंसी 5 नहीं हो सकती, so there will be movement of electrons towards this carbon. This carbon will be negatively charged, so this proton that is going out of the system will come and attack on this carbon. Right? So what do I get now? I will get C double bond O, right? H as it is, C because ये double bond यहाँ migrate हो गया, and this H2 plus 1 CH3. तो आप देख रहे हैं enol becomes keto. This is a general phenomenon of rearrangement that can occur, right? This is general. Now here if I see applied to this reaction, this is my keto, and now how this keto will become enol? How this keto will become enol? So it will become like this. This is my benzene as it is. This is C double bond C. I have not fulfilled the valencies here. Let me fulfill the valencies for you so that there will be no more confusion. 2 plus 1, right? 4. 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is something like this. Is there? Now see how when keto-enol tautomerism will occur, what do I get? I will get a COH, correct? ये वाला एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ आ जाएगा and this will become a double bond, right? Correct? जैसे यहाँ पर हुआ था, यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? This is keto. Suppose this is keto. So this hydrogen is going here. This hydrogen is going here, and double bond is becoming, and single bond is becoming a double bond, right? So वैसा ही यहाँ पर when keto becomes enol, we have created a carbon now which contains a hydroxyl group also and a double bond. Hence you call it as enol. तो चलिए भाई ये तो आ गया, मतलब आपकी बेंजीन में एरोमेटिसिटी आ गई, बट बचा क्या है? What remains is एक extra hydroxyl group which is not needed. You don't want a naphthol. This is what is formed is called as a naphthol. You don't want a naphthol. You want a naphthalene, right? तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? आपको रिडक्शन करना चाहिए. रिडक्शन मतलब क्या? लॉस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और गेन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन और बोथ। यहाँ पर हमने ऑक्सीजन का लॉस कर दिया। चलिए हमने जिंक को एज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट यूज कर लिया, तो क्या मिला मेरे पास? दिस इज माय फाइनल प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज डब्बा and another dabba here. Naphthalene is formed from 4-phenyl-3-butanoic acid. These are all the methods of preparation for naphthalene. I hope I am making things clear to you. Please, if you have queries, please write it in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.